get is the key. Cry baby, cry baby, I'm your baby, say it to me. Hello? Yes, naka-filter ako. Para instant ganda agad. Para may contact lens pa din. Nagtanggal na kasi akong contact lens eh. Hi guys! Hello, hello! Anong meron? Wala? Wala lang. Just wanted to say hi. And I think some people here came from TikTok. Mag-live ako sa TikTok saglit. And now we are here. Have a dance lesson. Yes, I will. I really plan on doing that. Good evening. You were so graceful kanina sa dance prod. Thank you, my jewels. Love you. Thank you. Although I think you're biased. I think you just love me. Anong shade ng lipstick? I don't know. Pero ngayon may filter kasi ako. So, malaking tulong din. Hindi ko alam. Naka-filter yung lips, oh. Hindi ko... I don't know the shade of my lipstick kanina. So, look at my crybaby, guys. Pick me up. Oh, it's closed. Ooh, we have a crybaby to open. Should I open it? Should I open? Oh, this. Oh, I already know what it is. Never mind. Miss Alexa, camera ka ba? Bakit gusto mong pa-develop? Am I right? I used to love pickup lines. Like, I used to love pickup lines. Noong mga panahon na ang usong cellphone pa ay BlackBerry. And everyone had that. Everyone had a BlackBerry. And you had notes there as well. So I had a whole list of pickup lines. Like, I literally collected pickup lines. I felt like it was my job. It was my job to collect pickup lines. And someday, someone might need it. That's what I thought. I like your hairstyle. Thank you. Just wanted something Y2K-ish. And uso pala yung ganyan. May mga tikwas-tikwas. I wanna take it out though, but I'm kinda scared to brush it. Kasi baka masakit. My Jejemon era. Yes! Admittedly, I was a Jejemon. And I was a very good one. Honestly, I'm really good at texting Jejemon. Oh, I haven't done it in a long time. But I used to text, like, letters and numbers. That was good. Hindi po pantay. I think mukha ko lang yung hindi pantay. Wait lang. I think it's just that tikwas. Who's better with pickup lines? You or KD? If I'm thinking about the me before, I would say me. Kasi may baon talaga ako. Like, seryoso, tanungin, I had a pickup line for every occasion and every situation. How much labubo? Hindi po ako nagbibenta. I may have a tree, but they are not for sale. I will keep them. Okay, I have another crybaby. I think it's also a duck. So, never mind. My strategy. I got to be the hey boy. And I betcha real good. And I miss you. Hello? Hello? Yes, kuya? Ay, kuya, akyat po kayo sa unit. Ano po? What do you mean, paano nga aakyat? Papapasukin po kayo ng guard. Okay, thank you. Hey, boy. What did you order? Honestly, I have no idea. I think may nagpadala ng package. And I have another Pop Mart. It's so heavy. It's Skull Panda stuff. I have a question. Never mind. Napaisip lang ako. Ano pa Pop Mart figure mo? Yun pa lang. Skull Panda, Hirono, Crybaby, Labubu. Ano yung isa? Kung matandaan yung pangalan ng isa. Ano ba bang Pop Mart ko dito? Hindi na pala Pop Mart yung iba. Bulong mo na lang. Ay, hindi kasi sometimes may mga rider na they don't want to bring it to your unit. Is that normal? Because, I don't know, di ba? I don't know naman the terms and conditions pag nag-book. Like, are they nagpapa-add sila if they bring it to your unit? Let's say this is the guardhouse and this is my unit. They don't want to bring it to the unit. I don't know why. But some riders are really nice and they just bring it. Period. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, everybody! Sometimes the guard doesn't allow. No, they do. As long as we allow, it's allowed. LSS din ako sa strategy. Sobrang LSS ako. Hindi ko pa nga napapakinggan yung buong kanta eh. Yun lang yung alam ko. Hey boy, I'm a betcha. Pero safe if hindi sa unit mo. No, safe naman. Kasi the subdivision is very, very, very safe. Like, nakabantay sila kung nakalabas na sila, etc. Try Duyan. Is it pronounced as Duyan? Duyan. Duyan. Duyan makeup. And someone also sent me extra grand lavish. Also sent me this big box of Nomi, the interchangeable eye dolls. I haven't opened it. There are purple ones and green and brown. Mommy, wala pa. Has the guard called? Has the guard called? Oh, okay. Galing niyo po kanina sa ASAP. Thank you. Less is beautiful. Okay. Yay, unboxing. I'm not gonna unbox this. Should I? Should I unbox this? Do you want me to unbox this? Should I unbox? Should I unbox? What you think? What you think? Should I unbox this? It's from Extra Grand Lavish. I used to get Labubus from them too. Unboxing. I need to see a couple of yeses to unboxing. Yes, unbox. Yes. Should I unbox? Sino yan? Guard? Ayaw yakyat talaga ng rider. Nagreklamo. Actually, sabi nga nung rider sa akin, okay lang. Sabi niya, anong ibig sabihin niya aakyat? Paano niya aakyat? Sabi sa akin, sabi ko, gusto ko sabihin, maglalakad ka pa aakyat. Hindi ko papapasukin ka po ng guard, sabi ko. Okay, yes. Okay, sana ma-open ko. Mami, pwede paabot ng scissor. Ay, hindi. Na-open ko. Hindi naman. Get you on my radar and you're gonna be with me. My strategy. Okay. Okay, I'll just hold it na lang. Okay, we're about to open. You should sing the song you sang sa ASAP. Sa future mo shows your Sticky. Sticky. I danced that. I didn't sing it.
Yes, I want.
I want the hot to go. Or the other one. That is true. Ang hirap kasi makaano ng song na alam ng lahat ng mga tao. Okay. Here you go. No more plastic. And then, so ito yung mga pwede nating makuha. We have purple. Her name is Samnilogay. Next, we have Wish. Next, we have a company. We have Star. We have Weave. We have Nocturne. We have Guardian. And we have Story. What is a Somnilogay? Somnilogay. Is that a word? Somnilogay? I have no idea. Wait lang. Is this a big one? Or is this all of this? Is this the only one? Is this only one? Or is it all of this? Like the small ones? How do I know? Oh my god, it's one whole big one! It's one giant Nomi! Oh, akala ko lahat. Oh, okay. So now I have to choose which one I like and which one I hope to get. Oh, I like a company or nocturnal. I like either of these two. Bakit kami yung tinanong mo hindi kami nagbebenta? Hindi rin naman po ako nagbebenta. Nag-open lang ako. Isa lang siya eh. Okay, buksan natin. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? I hope it's a company. What do you think it is? It's gigantic. Ang laki pa rin. Saan ko ito lalagay? Ang laki. Akala ko cute lang na maliliit. Akala ko lahat sila. Madami. Tapos nung inalog ko, ang bigat. What do you think it is? Okay, Ate M, you guessed Wish. I think Wish, sabi ni Angela Joy. Saan si Wish? Bakit you think it's Wish? Buksan mo na, please. So, nilugay. Okay. It's time to open. I hope it's a company. It's one big one. Yes. It is a giant one. It's big. It's a big face. Hi, Ate Clau. Naka-filter ako. Okay. Are you ready? Do we open? Let's count it down. Countdown. In 10. First time ko mag-open ng ganito kalaki. Can somebody please record this? So I can say thank you to the shop. Extra Grand Lavish. Okay, let's open. Walang sound. Guys. Hi, Ate Moriel. Okay, let's open. Please record somebody, please. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. I hope it's a company or Nocturne. I hope. Okay. Let's do this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Who are you? Oh my god, I think you were correct. It's Wish. Oh wait, joke lang. It's Wish. Oh no, it's Star. Huh? Guys, who is it? Tatlo kasi yung green eh. So cute! Oh my god, it's so cute! It's so cute, guys! Oh my gosh, it looks like my pamangkin! Oh, it's so nice! It's so cute, and you can change the eyes. Oh, you can. Oh yes, you can. You can. Oh, you can. Oh, okay. So when the Nomi is big, hindi interchangeable yung eyes. But can you help me choose? I don't know which. This one. It's Wish. It's Wish. It's Wish. It's Wish. Yes. Because of the teddy bears on the face. It's Wish. It's so cute. Ang galing niya naman. Ang galing niya. Ang dami sa inyo nag-wish na nagsabing si Wish. You guys are... Baka naman alam niyo yung winning lotto numbers, guys. Comment nyo naman para makataya. Ang galing. So nice. Ang ganda naman ito. Ito parang naka-irap siya. Parang Kasi yung Nomi talaga na maliit, yung mga bag charm, you can change the eyes. Wait, I'll show you. Where is my Nomi? Here, I have a Nomi here. Here's my Nomi. And you can change the eyes. See? You have 3 options. But the big one, it won't. Hala, na-stuck. Thank God. Okay. Ayan, it doesn't. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So box because I will show you something. Saan na yun? Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is from Pop Mart. Are you ready? Look at this. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. Bro. Sobrang dami. Sobrang dami. I don't know what to open first. Do I want to open them all? I don't know. So much. Look at that. Ang dami. I know. What are those? They are toys. They are blind boxes. So I don't know what's in them. So, ito yung mga meron. My Hirono, yes. We have the Hirono Little Prince. They gave 3. 3 Hirono Little Princes. Oops. I'm not sure I want to open them all. And then we have a Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. We have Dimu. I like Dimu also. Dimu is cute. The Kubo. Anong Kubo? Hanggang kailan ka kaya matatapos? Never. There, I have Dimu. Then, gusto mo nito, Ate M? Little Prince? Hirono? And we have, I'm not familiar with this. It's called Little Peach Riot Unboxing. Open one box. Okay, I'll open one box. Which one? Anong kubo? Anong kubo? Anong sabi di mo? Mukha siyang matutulog. Oh, ang cute naman ito ni Dimo. And I have Pino Jelly. Make a wish. Hero, no, please open. Okay. Comment what I should open, and the most comments, that's what I will open. Only one. Either Dimu, Hirono, or Winnie the Pooh, or this, whatever other ones. Okay. Comment. Hirono, okay. Hirono, okay. Madaming Hirono. Okay. Someone said Dimu. Someone said Winnie. Okay, Hirono, Little Prince. Okay, parang panay Hirono. Alright. Now, second question. Tatlo kasi ito. I have 3 ladies standing in front of me, but only one will be in the running to becoming the America's Next Top Model. Which one should I open? Right, middle, or left? Baka swerte pa rin kayo at may secret dito. Right, center, or left? Choose. 2 people said middle. Someone else said middle again. Okay. Then I middle. Okay. Unbox them all. Only one. Middle. Okay, fine. Middle it is. Okay, everyone said middle or center, so alright. Let's do this. It's my first time to unbox the Hirono Little Prince. So beautiful. Ayokong sirain yung box. So here, let's unbox. Of course, the mandatory sounds. And now, time for that pull. Yeah! Okay, let's go! Eto na, eto na, eto na. Wow! What do I want to get? Oh yes, okay, wait. I want the secret. I would like either the rose or the fox. Either the rose or the fox. Because the fox looks like a cat. That's all. Yeah. Or, oh no, I would like the little prince. Okay. Either the little prince, rose, or the fox. Deal or no deal. Let's go. Roar. Eto na. This feels like it has a... Oh, I don't know. Feels like it has a fox. Feel like it has a fox. Pero ang dami kasing may nakapatong sa ulo niya. So, hindi ko din masabi. You know what? Let's just open it. I think swerte ako or not. Maganda lahat ng Little Prince collection. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Baliktad pala. Paa pala yung hinahawakan ko. It's the lamplighter. I didn't get the rose. I got the lamplighter. But it's okay. It's still very, very cute. It's called the lamplighter. Now I want to unbox the other ones. Because what if there's a rose? Fine. Should we unbox them all? Why not? We're already here. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox the 3 Hironos. Wait, I just put this back nicely. There. Okay. Next. Magla-light ba? Ah, hindi ko na-try. Okay, time to unbox the second Little Prince. I only have 2 left. Let's open this one first. I hope it's the rose. You want the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. I never understand how to open this properly without tearing it. Ayoko mapunit sana yung box. Okay, here. Yung mga butas kasi gusto ko makita. Paano naman itong nakikita ko? Parang hindi. Parang bilog yung nasa ulo niya. Hindi siya rose. I think it's the Switchman. I think it's the Switchman. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, let's open. 1, 2, 3. Ay, paa pala yung nahawakan ko. Yeah, oh, I'm correct. It's the Switchman. It's the Switchman. kahit ano, basta wag lang magkapareha. That's true. It's the Switchman. Okay, we have last one. No. No. Oh. May something pa siya. Ah, yung tinatayuan niya and his flag. Meron pa. How much? Hindi ko po alam eh. I'm not selling, sorry. Alright, last one! Ah! Last one, last one. Okay, let's go. Wait, let's hope. I really, really hope it's the rose. I hope it's the rose. I hope it's the rose. Do you collect Smiski? I do, but my collection is small pa lang kasi 500 isang Smiski. Okay, let's go. Please, please, please be the rose. Oh no, natanggal. Parang it's not. Parang hindi siya yung rose. Parang hindi siya. Superman, charot. Who is this? You have... Huh? Super secret? Super secret, guys! Super secret! No, it's not secret. It's super secret. Oh my god, it's super secret. Bro, it's super secret. Oh my god. No way. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the super secret one. Oh my god. I didn't get the rose, but I got this. Oh my gosh. Wow, I was starting to get sad because I was like, this is not what I want. Oh my god, yay. Oh my god. I'm never usually lucky, but oh my god. Oh yay. I'm so happy. It's not just the secret, it's the super secret. Who would have thought? Oh my god. Let's put it together. May sana ganun din ako kaswerte sa raffles sa mga Christmas party. Okay, let's put. Ay, wow. Okay, hawak mo yan. Baka naman masira ko pa. achievement today. I'm so happy. Yay! Muntik na ako masad kanina. Ha 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 ha. I got it. I'm so happy. Oh, yay! You guys are my lucky charm. Oh my gosh. It's awesome. I felt the rush of serotonin in my body. I'm so happy. You are going on my bedside table. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Yay. Grabe, di ko lang kung na-feel niya pero nasasad na ako. Na hindi ko nakukuha yung rose. Oh, I'm so happy naman. Grabe. Binasa ko pa yung card. Sabi ko, sino ka? Super secret. The stars are beautiful because of a flower that cannot be seen. The Little Prince Special Edition. I'm so happy. I'm very, very happy. That made my night. That made my day, honestly. Small joys. I can add this to my resume. My resume is I got the super secret Hirono Little Prince. List of talents. I opened the secret of Hirono Little Prince. So nice. Yeah. It's so nice. Buti hindi ka naiyak. Hindi naman ako iiyak. Medyo maluluha lang. Charot. Superman pa nga. Akala ko sa kung sino kasi Superman ka ba? Super secret pala yan. I-post ko kaya for sale. Magkano kaya? Bidding. Charot, never. I wouldn't. I won't ever give you away. You're beautiful and you are my latest accomplishment. Yes, my precious. My precious. Anong pakiramdam may musical ka? We'll watch Liwanag sa Dilim. Oh my God! Nag-announce na! Slay! Oh my God! Slay! Oh my God, nag-announce. Nagulat ako. Sabi ko, bakit nyo nalalaman? Nag-announce pala! Oh my God! So, okay guys, surprise! Surprise! I'm part of Liwanag sa Dilim. I am part of the musical Liwanag sa Dilim from Nine Works Theatrical. It is the newest original Filipino musical featuring the songs of the Rico Blanco. 25 minutes ago na pala. Sorry naman. Busy kasi ako mag-unboxing ng Hirono. Wow! Oh my God, tickets are now available! But ticket... Okay, to the 600 people here, I guess, bubudulin ko na kayo. So, ayun na nga, na-announce na, I am part of the musical Liwanag sa Dilim by Nine Works Theatrical. And, apparently, tickets are now on sale. Tickets are now available via Ticket to Me. Slay! Slay! Baka naman pwede mag-collab post, Nine Works. Baka naman, add as collaborator. Pwede ba? Oh my God! Oh my God! Di ko alam kung saan ako matutuwa. Kung sa Play or kay Hirono. But oh my God, guys, yes. Please watch the post of Nine Works Theatrical on FB and IG. It's on their IG and FB page. Please watch it, guys. And syempre, nandyan na kayo. I-like nyo na din. Ay, sorry, may nag-text. Slay! I had no idea they were gonna announce it today. I had no idea. Favorite songs of musical? Can I spoil? Ah! Your Universe. Of course, that's my favorite Rico Blanco song. Period. Slay! Wow, what an eventful day. What an amazing day. I love it. So many things happened. Alexa with Rita. Oh, I love Miss Rita Daniela. She's so nice. She's so freaking good and talented. Never ko pa kasi siya napanood as a singer. I've seen her clips as an actress. And also, of course, Slay. But as a singer, nagulat ako. Nag-rehearse lang kami. Kumanta siya, tapos sobrang ganda. Sobrang galing. Parang hala, ate, hindi pa tayo nag-show. Sobrang galing mo naman. Pero sobrang galing talaga ni Ate Rita. Slay. Nakaka-inspire. Have you started rehearsals na? Actually, I have. Like 4 days pa lang naman. Nung November. Hanggat sa nag-Christmas break. Ay, thank you, Katie. Thank you. Look, I got Hirono, the super secret. Ah! Hindi ko alam kung saan ako matutuwa. Sa Play at kay Hirono. I'm so happy. So, I love it. 9 p.m. is so eventful. So many things happen. And I'm so glad you guys caught that. Break a leg. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. I'm excited. Somebody asked, how do I feel? I'm nervous again. Because theater is different. It's so different from mainstream acting, singing. It's different from ASAP even. Iba yung kaba and iba yung pagod ng theater. Rehearsing from 12 to 8, 4 to 10, 11. Very talaga siya. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. And I'm so nervous kasi sa March na kami mag-open. Sa March na kami mag-open, nakaka-4 pa lang akong rehearsal. Kailangan ko humabol ng malala. May shooting pa ako ng Co-Love this month. Pero kakayanin ko yan. Lahat naman kakayanin. Lahat ay kakayanin ko. I'm so excited. When this was first mentioned to me, Songs of Rico Blanco, yes. I want you. Golden buzzer. That's how I felt. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Ah! You guys, if you know me, you know how nerviosa I am. when it comes to work, when it comes to the craft, and how much of a basher I am to myself. But I'm very excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you guys to watch. It's iba to. It's different. It's something you won't expect. So I'm so happy. Saang theater po yun? RCBC. Hold on, let me double check. Open. Wait. Wait! RCBC Plaza in Makati. RCBC Plaza. It opens March 7 already. And we're gonna be showing. So RCBC Plaza. Ayala Avenue, Makati City! Sabi niya, liwanag sa dilim. Hinahawakan niya ang liwanag sa dilim. Liwanag sa dilim. Oh! Sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to bang your head like that. Sorry. Okay, yun lang. So happy. So, I know it's not the project most of you are expecting. And, di ko lang naalala nyo no Mixed Music Awards. Tinanong ako kung anong projects ko. And I said it was something that involves music. This is it. This is really is it. Liwanag sa Dilim. A musical. Yay! Okay, so I think it's Happy New Year, Kuya Melo. So I think it's time to end the live. Sobrang saya. So let's end the live with a big smile. Alright? Ang ganda naman ng timing. Lumabas si Super Secret tsaka si Liwanag sa Dilim. I'm so happy. I am on a high right now. Okay guys, I think grabe ang cast. Kasama ko na naman si Momsy. Oh my God, si Momsy. Yes, I'm with Khalil. I'm with Anthony. I'm with CJ. I'm with Nicole. It's my first time to work with her, si Nicole. And yeah, sobrang galing nila. I really feel like, I have to step up my game kasi ang gagaling ng mga kasama ko, which is really nice. You know, lagi kang na-inspired. Lagi kang na-inspire. Sorry. No ED. Yay! Okay, guys. Magpahinga na tayong lahat. Masakit na yung panga ko, kakangiti. I'm so happy. So again, if you haven't seen the trailer, it's posted on the Facebook and Instagram page of 9 Works Theatrical. Please check it out. Share it with your friends na din. Lead ka po. Yes, I am. So pray for me. Okay, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you from my Hirono. I know your name is Hirono, but I'm going to name you Rico as Rico Blanco. Kasi ang ganda ng timing mo. In-announce yung Liwanag sa Dilim. Bye guys! Thank you so much. Liwanag sa dilim.